Hey guys, we got a decent one here. This is a cab high Swiss. Fits the 02 to 08, 02 to 08 Ram, short bed, six and a half foot bed. It's cab high unit. This one is black. It's been repainted. It was apparently it was originally orange, but it is black. They did a decent job of getting the windows out and painting it, but the paint is probably not the best quality. It does have a lot of orange peel in the paint, but it is a good looking unit nonetheless. Not a lot of scratches on it, not a lot of damage to it. Has a little bit of issues down on the bottom edge on the trim there. You can see little scratches there. When we ran the serial number, it came back as orange, so it is not orange, and you can clearly tell it's been repainted. Got half-side sliding windows on the side. This one has a picture window in the front. A little bit of a chip right there. See, not a lot of damage to it. It's just not the prettiest paint in the world. A little bit of scratches right there. But it looks like they took the windows out when they did it. They painted it all, took the windows out. So it looks like they did it right. They just didn't really apply the paint in the best ways possible. No damage on the sides here. Top, like I said, there's no damage on the top. This side looks pretty good. No scratches that I can see. The bottom edge is where, like I said, just like the other side, that's where the major damage is on that rubber trim edge. Scratches and nicks pretty much all the way down through there. And a little bit more right there. That's really about it. You got half-side sliding windows on this side as well. It does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens on the side are in good shape. No damage to the screens that I can see. This side, no damage to the screens on this side that I can see either. Oh, yeah, there is a hole right there in the center. Did not see that. So a hole on this side of the screen is really the worst. So there it is, a cab high model Swiss. It's the 02 to 08 Ram, Dodge Ram with the short bed, 6.4 bed, 6.4 bed, black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so if you want to check it out, see the price on it, see which location it's at, things like that, more information on it, or if you just want to purchase it online, you can do that on the link below. Also, there's a link to our website in general, so if you're looking for just cap repair parts, decked units, decked bed slide units, T-handles, cap tapes, seals, stuff like that, that's all available online for purchase. As with all our caps, they are we do not ship them. They are local pickup only. So you need to be aware of that when you purchase online, that you'll need to pick it up at one of our locations. And we'll be happy to assist you getting it loaded up or installed, whatever you prefer. Thanks for watching.